So today I'm gonna make homemade sweet potato puree for my daughter, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole process from peeling to cutting to baking to blending and everything in between. So I'm gonna start off with these two, and if I need to make more, I have a whole bag that I bought, but these are from the last bag that I had. So let's go ahead and start with these. Everything I made, I ended up with 4 bags. I think I overmade some, but I usually do 2 and don't end up with so much, but I did. So I will actually be taking from one of these bags for my daughter's dinner tonight because she loves sweet potatoes. So of course I'll be taking it from these bags. I put the date on it because it could last up to like 3 days. That's like the shelf life in the fridge, depending on how much she eats. Usually for her nighttime feeding or dinner feeding, I only give her like sweet potatoes because right now that's the only thing she's like really liking. In the future, I'll probably try to add more things into it, but right now this is what she likes and this is what I can get her to eat. So it's a win. Some of the bags are definitely filled up more than others, but I am so happy that I have this much for her, and this is all prepped for the next few days. And I'm excited for this new process of just putting them in these reusable pouches instead of the tiny little containers, because I can only fit like so much in the little container. So this process is a lot easier, and then I just put them in the fridge and they are ready to go. So if you are looking for a way to make sweet potatoes at home for your little one, this would be probably the best way to do it. It's easy. You chop them, you bake them, make sure they're really soft, let them cool down, put them in the blender, blend them up, make them really smooth, and that's it. They're ready to go. So thanks for hanging out with me today as I made my daughter's sweet potato puree.